Hello everyone. Today we are discussing topic superposition of harmonic oscillations, and the point is the superposition of two collinear harmonic oscillations having equal frequencies. There are two methods, analytical method and graphical method. Today we are discussing analytical method. Consider two SHMs having same frequency omega but different amplitudes A1 and A2 and different initial phases alpha 1 and alpha 2. As we are considering here two simple harmonic motions, let's consider for SHM1, y1 is the distance, is equal to A1 amplitude into sine of omega t plus alpha 1. Similarly, for second SHM, the displacement y2 is equal to A2 sine of omega t plus alpha 2, where y1 and y2 are displacements according to the principle of superposition. The resultant displacement y is equal to y1 plus y2. Now if we put y1 is equal to a1 sine omega t plus alpha 1 and y2 is equal to a2 sine omega t plus alpha 2 in this equation, we get y is equal to a1 sine omega t plus alpha 1 plus a2 sine omega t plus alpha 2. Now if we expand the term sine omega t plus alpha 1 and sine omega t plus alpha 2, we get the resultant displacement y is equal to a1 sine omega t into cos alpha 1 plus cos omega t into sine alpha 1 plus a2 into sine omega t into cos alpha 2 plus cos omega t into sine alpha 2. That is equal to, if we draw common sine omega t, the first term becomes a1 cos alpha 1 plus a2 cos alpha 2 into sine omega t plus a1 sine alpha 1 plus a2 sine alpha 2 into common cos omega t. Let this is the equation number 1. Since here a1, a2 and alpha 1, alpha 2 are constant, therefore a cos phi is equal to a1 cos alpha 1 plus a2 cos alpha 2. Let this is equation capital A. A sin alpha is equal to a1 sin alpha 1 plus a2 sin alpha 2. Let this is equation capital B. Now these two values we are assuming here. Now by squaring and adding equation capital A, capital B, if we square these two equations LHS, LHS, RHS, RHS and adding, therefore we get A into A square sin square phi plus cos square phi is equal to, this is the LHS. Now RHS, a square sin square alpha 1 plus cos square alpha 1 plus a2 square sin square alpha 2 plus cos square alpha 2 plus twice a1 a2 cos alpha 1 into cos alpha 2 plus sin alpha 1 into sin alpha 2. That is equal to a square as it is. Now sin square phi plus cos square phi is equal to 1. Therefore on LHS side becomes only a square equal to. Now here also a square sin square alpha 1 plus cos square alpha 1 is equal to 1. Also here a2 square into sin square alpha 2 plus cos square alpha 2 is equal to 1. Therefore a square equal to a1 square plus a2 square plus twice a1 a2 cos of alpha 1 plus alpha 2. And therefore if we take ratio of these two equations, therefore tan phi is equal to a1 sin alpha 1 plus a2 sin alpha 2 divided by a1 cos alpha 1 plus a2 cos alpha 2. Therefore equation 1 becomes y is equal to a cos of phi into sin omega t plus a sin phi into cos omega t, that is equal to a into sin of omega t plus phi, and this is the resultant equation y is equal to a sin omega t plus phi. This represents the resultant SHM whose amplitude is capital A and phase phi. Thank you.